I just want to say thanks for taking this plunge and taking up this big challenge. We've been doing events for a good couple of years, and this is probably one of the biggest events we've ever hosted. Definitely the most satisfying and rewarding event we've hosted and be a part of. I just want to say thanks to you guys for trusting us and taking the plunge and taking on this big challenge with us.
You guys were an awesome group to have for the first one, so obviously it's a yearly thing for us now. So you guys were a great group to start off with, and well done to everybody. There's a couple of PBs and personal bests, and it was just an amazing weekend.
The maps is really well marked, guys. We do have people obviously on the route as well. That's just so that you guys kind of got an idea.
Somebody just needed to tell me to bring my...
Yeah, it's my wife. If you guys
Hey guys,
didn't
I'm
know.
Marcus.
George.
Hi, George.
David.
Kristen. Hey. Alan.
Ilza, Lucille,
Danielle,
Bernie,
Manri,
Ilza number 2,
Jeffrey.
Lisa.
And obviously this is Rudy.
Janneke.
Oh, Janneke!
And we got Dean in the bathroom.
Come here!
Come on, Dean. 12 o'clock, we obviously start every 4 hours. Today you guys are going to be a bit more social, tomorrow maybe not so much. Run far, you say stay on. Okay, run on, stay on. That was right. 3, 2, 1, go!
It goes around and it keeps climbing and then it only comes down at the end.
So what was your pace?
I don't know, good question. But it was 36 minutes.
I say well done guys, enjoy your last night run, take it all in.
Morning run.
The other day.
Well done, Rudy. You're lucky. Rudy's a lucky.
Oh, stop die beat so vir my. Oh, yes, ja. Drop julle my nou.
Hey, chase.
I can only go that fast.
Wat jij zin, baby. Let's go. That's the front cover.
Hazard! 3 down, 9 to go.
When you guys stretch, you are like, oh.
Yeah, just doing a bit of a rub down, some maintenance work after 66 kilometers.
Ons is van Mindful Healing, so ons doen die recovery vir die atlete. So ons probeer om hulle so tussen hulle stages om net hulle spiere so 'n bietjie te relax en reg te kry vir die volgende stage.
Sure, it's been a an awesome last 30 hours. Had to dig deep, but it's all for a good cause. It's part of the challenge. It's part of doing it as a team, as a bigger group of friends and athletes, and it's been awesome. We've gone through the highs and lows, and we're nearly there. So we just gotta dig deep for these last two, but we'll make it.
Ja, so ons is nou op die middernag. Ek moet actually die watch kyk. Op die middernag slot. Dis nommer 10. So ons gaan nou in die double digit in. Dis nou nie altyd meer lekker nie. Lekker om op te staan nie. Maar ons is oor die ergste. Is lekker om nou op die 10 te kom. So dis raak tougher, maar ons is al bietjie nader en bietjie nader aan daai laaste dagskolf. So laaste bietjie vasbyt, laaste bietjie seer bene en dan is aan die ander kant.
Die mental toughness. Die gedeeltes wat nou opkom, wat sal jy sê?
Ja, ek dink almal ervaar dit anders. Almal het obviously iets wat vir hulle bietjie tougher is. Party van hulle ouens sukkel om te slaap, party van die ouens sukkel met seer voete. Ons baie blaase, baie seer tone en seer voete. En dis waar die kop obviously bietjie inkom, so gaan nie nou meer regtig oor die seerheid nie, maar bietjie verder te druk, te dink aan mense wat dit dalk nie kan doen nie. Waar al is jy bietjie seer, kan jy actually nog loop, kan jy een voet voor die ander ene sit, so net so bietjie die kop vasbyt en deurdruk, en aan die ander kant oor 'n week, 2 weke dan sal ek sê ons lag hier oor hê, maar dan smaal ons hier oor, ons kan iets doen wat die ander mense dalk nie kan doen nie.
How's it guys? Wayne here, one of the marshals on the Goggins Challenge. It's been quite an experience. Yeah, for the athletes as well as myself. I was, like I said, I was one of the marshals, trying to stick with the fast-paced guys, but it's been an amazing experience.
Yeah, give me a break. The race only starts, then I'm David Goggins. But now I'm just so
Yeah, we're keeping it.
Walking together.
Let's do it.
Yeah!
all the proceeds we raised just over 20,000 for them. Yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for making this possible. Sorry, it's a bit emotional. And I hope I see you guys back next year for this as well. Right.
Okay, I say run far, you say stay on. Run far.